Today I'm going to teach you how to copy a location link in Google Maps. This is incredibly useful when you want to share an exact location with friends, colleagues, or clients without any confusion about where to meet or what address to visit. First, open your web browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This will take you directly to Google Maps, where you can search for any location worldwide. Once the page loads, you'll see the familiar Google Maps interface with a search bar prominently displayed at the top. Now in that search bar, type in the location you want to share. This could be anything from a restaurant name, a landmark, a business, or even a specific street address. Google Maps is quite intelligent about understanding different types of location queries, so don't worry too much about being overly specific. Just type what makes sense to you. After you've entered your search query, press Enter or click the search icon. Google Maps will then process your request and display the location on the map. At this point, you'll notice that the left side of your screen populates with detailed information about the location you searched for. On the left panel, you'll see various details about that location, including its name, address, photos, reviews, and other relevant information. Take a moment to verify this is indeed the correct location you want to share, as there might be multiple places with similar names. Now here's the key step. Within that details panel on the left, look for the actual address or location information. You'll notice that when you hover over or click on the location text, it becomes interactive. Go ahead and click on it. The beauty of Google Maps is that this action automatically copies the location link to your clipboard without any additional confirmation needed. And that's it. You've successfully copied the location link to your clipboard. Now you can simply paste this link into an email, text message, or any messaging app, and whoever receives it will be able to open the exact location in Google Maps with just one click. This makes coordinating meetings and sharing places incredibly straightforward. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.